Welcome back to School's Challenge Quiz. You are watching the third match in round 2. Scores are Glenmuir High on 34 points, St. George's College on 33. Let's get into the buzzer challenge, shall we? Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championships. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. Thank you. And with that, we begin with Bible knowledge. In which New Testament book is the verse, "No man can serve Glenmuir"?
Two Masters, St. Matthew.
St. Matthew.
Correct. Biology. Is the scaphoid a long boat-shaped bone under your little finger, big toe, or thumb? St. George's College.
Thumb.
Correct. English language. Form an adjective from the word ice. St. George's College.
I see.
Correct. Local affairs of Visual 1 teams. Look at the following clip. Identify this person, please. St. George's College.
Ellington.
Correct. Chemistry. What is the formula for manganese chloride? St. George's College.
It is MgClO4.
MnCl2. Music and audio 1. Listen to the following clip, teams, and identify the duo. Air supply, general knowledge. Joseph R. Biden is the 46th St. George's College.
His vice president is Kamala Harris.
From United States of America.
Okay, no, we were looking for his middle name, R, which stands for Robinette. Spanish, what ordinal number is 90 St. George's College?
90th.
Correct. Geography, the Gulf of Tonkin is a medium-sized gulf at the northwestern portion of which sea? St. George's College.
East China Sea.
South China Sea. Theatre and cinema, Visual 1 teams. Look at the following clip and identify this person, please. St. George's College.
Reese Witherspoon.
Good. Information technology. With text editors, what is the shortcut Control-H used to do? To find and replace a character, word, or phrase. History. Which monarch of England was the Duke of Normandy and led the Norman conquest in 1066? Glenmuir High.
William the First.
William the First.
Correct. The conqueror. Mathematics. What is the product of y raised to the power of 7 and y raised to the power of 3? St. George's College.
Y raised to the power of
10.
Y to the power of 10.
Very good. Physics. Which law states that when the magnetic flux linking a circuit changes, an electromotive force is induced in the circuit proportional to the rate of change of the flux?
Left.
Faraday's law, sport of Visual 1 teams. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Yes.
St. George's.
Sadio Mane.
From Liverpool, thank you. Jamaican heritage. What was the highest national honor conferred? St. George's.
Order of Jamaica.
On music legend Bob Marley, the Order of Merit is what we're looking for. French. What is the English translation for J'aime manger du poulet? St. George's College.
I like to eat chicken.
Correct. Literature. Who is the author of the 2001 crime novel The Sky is Falling?
Come, Sita.
Sidney Sheldon. Art. Which artist was commissioned by the Jamaican government in 1981 to create the Bob Marley Monument, which Glenmuir High?
Christopher Gonzalez.
Correct. Bible knowledge. In the book of Revelation, a letter is written to the 7 churches of Glenmuir High.
Asia.
Yes, but we wanted, which was the first one? Ephesus. Biology. What is the name of the elastic connective tissue that attaches muscles to bones? Glenmuir.
Muscle to tendon.
Correct. English language. Which 7-letter adjective starting with C and ending with S means abundant in supply or Glenmuir?
See it there?
Copious.
That's correct. International affairs. Who is the Prime Minister of Australia? St. George's.
Scott Morrison.
Correct. Chemistry. What is the valency of carbon atoms in methane? Glenmuir.
-4.
I have 4 here. And that bell signals the end of an exciting match, the final challenge and the end of the match. Scores look to be Glenmuir High on 40, St. George's College on 43. Of course, we'll look carefully, double-check those scores, and return with the final results right after these messages.